When Emirates Crop One reached out to us, we knew this was a project Siemens could make an impact on. Not only because we have the most advanced technology to optimize energy and water usage for their operations, but also because we saw how this project resonates with whom we are and our mission of transforming the everyday. By integrating our technology throughout Bustanica, we ensure efficient production along with waste reduction and enhanced sustainability for Emirates Crop One's operation, even in an energy-intensive environment. And by leveraging this convergence of digitalization and sustainability, we are addressing one of the world's most pressing challenges to make it a more livable and sustainable world.
Solutions like Bustanica enable people to eat fresher foods while reducing water consumption and transportation costs. It's a great example of how innovation and technology are solving some of the most pressing challenges facing the food production and distribution industries. Emirates Flight Catering always aims to invest in such solutions and partner with companies such as Siemens to bring them to reality. Together, we can delight customers, optimize operations, and make our environmental footprint ever more sustainable.
Bustanica is the result of the partnership between Emirates Flight Catering and Crop One Holdings, plus the technology input of Siemens. Stretching over 330,000 square feet, and with an injection of $40 million, this facility within Dubai is the largest of its kind in the world. We have a capacity to produce more than 1 million kilos of leafy greens a year, all of which are free from pesticides, herbicides, and chemicals. We have crops such as spinach, kale, and lettuce. These are our main outputs, and we have many, many more planned. Bustanica helps secure the Emirates Flight Catering supply chain and also ensure that its customers enjoy locally sourced, nutritious, healthy produce. For such a major facility to succeed, having the latest technology from a partner like Siemens was essential.
Some of the things that have been achieved together here are significant. For example, the SINAMIC series variable frequency drives, along with our automation stations, is designed to circulate water and maximize how efficiently water is used. So when the water vaporizes, for example, it is recovered and recycled back into the system. This saves 250 million liters of water a year compared to the traditional outdoor farming. The smart infrastructure building management system Desigo CC controls and monitors air conditioning and ventilation, while SIMATIC automation and control systems deliver optimal growing conditions by controlling the lights and CO2 levels required by the plants, making sure that system constantly operates to its maximum potential through monitoring digital communication and keeping it secured against cyber attacks. This is the extra edge that we have been proud to add.
Today's food production system faces many challenges. For a start, we simply need more food because the world's population is growing all the time. We need to produce food in ways that lessen climate change, reduce greenhouse gas emissions and biodiversity loss, and help minimise waste. Reducing food transportation matters too. We can't continue flying and shipping so much food around the world. Nations becoming more self-sufficient and resilient is vital, which is why food security is increasingly high on the agenda. These issues are particularly important to the UAE and Gulf region. Traditional farming is limited here due to the climate and the land, but it's also a region that's championing innovation and technology.
The smart infrastructure we've put into Bustanica means it can sustainably scale up operations over time and become a model for other vertical farms around the world to follow. The infrastructure installed today will allow for the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence in the future. For both, the learnings and the potential from this partnership have only just begun.
Bustanica isn't just a success story for Emirates Crop One and Siemens, it's also a lighthouse project for the UAE and the world. As the biggest facility of its type in the world, one that's going to produce 1 million kilograms of crops this year, it shows where the future lies. The UAE is pioneering the way in food security, with a pathway that involves multiple entities coming together and collaborating. We're proud to be part of that story and look forward to its next chapter too.